the vector passing through any surface is defined as a flux of that vector. A vector or fluid, okay, passing through any surface is defined as flux of that vector passing this surface. Okay, got it? So flux will be represented by phi. It representing by represent by phi. This is notation used. Okay, this notation is defined as a phi. Okay, got it? So this is a flux. Okay, flux according to definition, flux is equal to what? A vector. Okay, I think I don't need all these markers. Okay, so phi is equal to vector passing through these are the words and surface. These are the three things. Okay, vector, passing, and surface. Vector will be represented by the V. Vector की बजाय I must write the actual word must be a total. Okay, actually the field must be a total. Okay, so vector represented by V. Passing word is representing by, I have already explained. What is the passing? No. What is the meaning of passing? Passing through, along. No. Dot. Okay. This passing word is dot. Okay. Passing through, along, except, under, all these words represent the dot. Okay. And the surface is represented. Surface means area. Every vector, the area is a vector quantity and its direction is according to the cross product. I have already explained. Okay, so this is the simple. Okay, but if I write the total in discrete form, if I write the total in discrete, that will be total is equal to I1 to n. Okay, if I represent that is delta Si. Okay, and this will be the flux of this. Okay, here is a different part. It's the further. What is the meaning? Why I have write in this way? Because if you have a irregular shape of surface, okay, any shape of the surface. So this is the surface, irregular shape of the surface. Okay, and if I divide it into the small patches, okay. This is an irregular shape. Okay, if I divide it into the small patches, okay, that if I divide it into the small patches, okay, every patch is, for example, this is delta S1, this is delta S2, this is delta Si, this is delta Sn. Number of patches, total number of patches is n. Okay, got it? The total number of patches is n. Okay, but these patches are not a parallel like a parallelogram. If that is the I equal to 1 to n. The summation means what is the meaning? V dot delta S1, V dot delta S2, so on. Okay, V dot delta N. Okay, that's we write in the form of this. Okay, Asama. Okay, so this is the discrete, but this is because all patches are not same, and that is not a parallel graph, as I have already explained. For so this is for a discrete. This is about this expression for a discrete. And as I have already explained, if the surface is irregular, we may write it in the form of a surface integral. I have already explained in the our previous lectures. Okay, so for continuous this phi v will be equal n will become infinity. Okay, so this will become s ds. Okay, for continuous. Okay, I have already explained why this. This is a surface integral. Surface integral means this is a double integral. I have already explained. Okay, if this is alpha, this is a beta. Mean if there are two sides of this, then that will be a d alpha 1 cross d. Yes, this will be a cross product, not one. Sorry, d alpha cross d beta. So this will be the yes, got it. This is for a continuous. Okay, this is a for a. This is a electric flux. Okay, got it. I think it is a very simple. Okay, एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. We consider one example. Okay. Find the electric flux around the test charge. ठीक है? अच्छा, sorry. Before writing it, what is the electric flux? पहले मुझे I must write the definition of electric flux. For electric flux, we will be replaced with the E, and for magnetic flux, we will replace with the B. Okay. Electric flux. What is the electric flux? Phi E will be equal to E dot ds. Okay. For continuous, discrete के लिए for continuous ये नहीं, ये मैं समेशन करती लिख दी. अच्छा, यहाँ ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ. ओके, सो वी विल बी वी रिप्लेस विद दी ई. ठीक है. एंड फॉर मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स phi b will be equal to b dot s. Okay, got it. So only you have to change the this symbol. If that is for electric, then you will use E for magnetic, V for any vector V, then that will be applicable. Okay. So the all definition of the same. Okay. Got it? Okay. The next is exercise is about find the electric flux around the test charge. Okay. Okay, so solution phi E is this is a charge. For example, this is a charge Q. So the electric field is like this. Okay. Okay. Phi E is equal to, as I have already explained, that will be S E dot ds. Okay. Since electric flux around electric field around test charge will be radial, mean along these, okay, will be radial and make a sphere around test charge. Okay, mean this will be radial in a 3 dimension, mean all angles. So that will be like a sphere. Okay, so you may consider that there are the sphere. Okay, spherical ball. Okay, yes, and area of sphere. Okay, so that will be a radial. So E ds cos will be radial, EB along R and ds be so this will be a एरिया ऑफ स्फीयर कितना होता है 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. निकालने की जरूरत तो नहीं है, पता है ना, ठीक है, 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. ओके, सो E's are radial. Okay, 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर, ये भी रेडियल है, ये भी अलॉन्ग है. तो आर और आर के दरमियान एंगल क्या होगा, cos 0, आर और आर के अलॉन्ग 0. cos 0 क्या होता है, sin 0 0, cos 0 1. Okay, और सर दिस इंटीग्रेशन विल बी, क्योंकि हमने एरिया टोटल ले लिया, ठीक है, इंटीग्रेशन विल बी रिमूव. वाई, बिकॉज sorry, area is 4 pi r square and E will be, ER will be चार्ज. मैंने बताया हुआ कितना होता है, टेस्ट चार्ज कितना होता है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड किसके बराबर होता है, हमने निकाला हुआ टेस्ट चार्ज का. क्यू ओवर आर था, क्यू ओवर आर स्क्वायर था, है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वाला लेक्चर देखो ना. क्यू ओवर आर स्क्वायर था ना, यस Q over R square और R यूनिट वेक्टर ऐसे ही था, पक्की बात है। और ये भी आपके पास किस है, रेडियल है सरफेस उसका भी, तो आपके पास क्या आ गया, और एस किसके बराबर आया है 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर, और ये भी आर यूनिट वेक्टर के साथ ऐसे ही है, इसका भी डायरेक्शन के, हाँ के भी है सब यार, नहीं वो तो फोर्स में आया, क्यों कट जाता है, फोर्स पर यूनिट चार्ज है ना, सॉरी इक्वल टू ठीक है। So flux will be equal to, integration will be eliminated because I have taken the total. Okay, so K Q over R square 4 pi R square R dot R, that will be 1, ठीक है, हाँ यूनिट वेक्टर का डॉट प्रोडक्ट R square से R square will be so this will be Q K is 4 pi epsilon naught, ठीक है, got it. K is equal to 1 divided 4 pi epsilon naught, and 4 pi ये था ना, Q ऐसा ही था, K की वैल्यू पुट की, ये क्या था 4 pi epsilon naught, ठीक है, 4 pi R square से R square कट गया, R यूनिट वेक्टर का R यूनिट वेक्टर से डॉट प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है, that is equal to 1, बाकी क्या रह गया Q divided by epsilon naught, this is electric. Have you got it? यार ये 4 pi epsilon naught, K is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon, ये वैल्यू डालिए इधर K की जगह, ठीक है, ये 4 pi से कट गया, और R square से R square कट गया, R dot R equal to 1, बाकी रह गया सिर्फ Q over epsilon naught, R dot R और सरफेस का R, तो ये दोनों के दरमियान डॉट है, ठीक है, गॉट इट, क्लियर हो गया, नहीं हुआ तो फिर दोबारा, दिस इज टेस्ट चार्ज, ठीक है, एंड द फील्ड इज रेडियल, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज रेडियल, दीज आर द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ER, okay, and these are around all the side like a ball, so these are the red lines are a ball, okay. 3 dimension, यहाँ सर्कल मुझे ड्रा करना नहीं आ रहा, ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट सर्कल, दिस इज मैं लिख देता हूँ, दिस रेड बॉल इज 3D, चलो लिख दे, स्फीयर यानी बॉल हर तरफ है ना, आगे पीछे दाएं बाएं, दिस इज इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स,